Welcome to another fantastic review brought to you by Perchpad. Today we're diving into the world of Tube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr. Tube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr is a comprehensive digital program designed to help individuals achieve YouTube channel growth, enhance their YouTube strategy, and ultimately monetize their content effectively. Matt Parr, a well-known figure in the video marketing industry, has put together an engaging and valuable resource for content creators looking to maximize their potential on YouTube. One of the key features of Tube Mastery and Monetization is its in-depth insights into content creation and video marketing strategies. Matt Parr shares his expertise on how to create high-quality, engaging content that resonates with audiences. By following his guidance, users can learn how to optimize their YouTube channels for maximum visibility and engagement. The membership area of the program provides access to exclusive resources, tools, and strategies that can help users take their YouTube channels to the next level. From niche selection to channel monetization techniques, the program covers a wide range of topics essential for success in the digital space. The benefits of Tube Mastery and Monetization are clear. Users can unlock the secrets to building a successful YouTube channel, growing their audience, and generating a sustainable income from their content. With step-by-step instructions and practical tips, Matt Parr empowers content creators to leverage the power of YouTube to achieve their goals. Whether you are a novice looking to start your YouTube journey or a seasoned creator seeking to refine your approach, Tube Mastery and Monetization offers something for everyone. By incorporating the insights and strategies shared in this program, users can drive organic growth, increase engagement, and monetize their channels more effectively. In conclusion, Tube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr is a valuable resource for anyone looking to excel in the world of YouTube content creation and monetization. With its expert guidance, practical tips, and actionable strategies, this program has the potential to transform your YouTube channel into a thriving business. If you are serious about maximizing your YouTube potential, investing in Tube Mastery and Monetization could be a game changer for your online presence. And that wraps up our review. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more awesome content. Your support means the world to us. For more information, check the link in the description.